Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this network error code of 0x800704CF in Windows 10. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the settings. So you have to just type setting in your search bar and then go to the settings. And in settings, you have to just go to the network and internet option. And in network and internet, you have to just select Wi-Fi, and in Wi-Fi you have to just go to the change adapter options, and at here you have to just select your Wi-Fi. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi 2, so I have to just right click on it and then go to the properties, and in properties I have to just uncheck this option, client for Microsoft network. It should be unchecked. If it is checked in your system, so you have to just uncheck it and then click on OK. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to the second step, which is basically command prompt. So you have to just type cmd and then run as administrator and then click on yes. And at here, basically it will reset TCP and IP of your computer. So you have to just firstly type this command ipconfig, then you have to just enter forward slash then flush DNS. After write this command, you have to press enter. So as you can see, it is basically successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So after this, you have to just type another command, which is basically nvtstat. So you have to just type this nvtstat, then space dash rr. So you have to just type this and press enter. So it will just basically NetBIOS name has been refreshed. So it will refresh basically NetBIOS names. So after this, you have to just type one more command, which is basically netsearch space int space ip space reset and then press enter. So after this, you have to just restart your computer and then your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, in many cases your issue will be fixed. Of 90% cases, mostly member have fixed this issue. And if this doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just go to the last step, which is basically device manager. So you have to just type device manager and then you have to just go to the device manager, and in device manager you have to just go to the view tab and then click on show hidden devices. So it will be all the devices will be visible at here. So at here you have to just go to the network adapter, and in network adapter you have to just uninstalling all the unities one by one, including Bluetooth devices, Intel R, then again Intel R, then Microsoft kernel. So you have to just right click on it and then click on uninstall devices one by one. So you have to just again the second one uninstall this, and the third one then uninstall this. You have to just uninstall all the devices. After that, when you have uninstalled all the devices under network adapter, so you have to just go to the again action tab, and then you have to just select scan for hardware changes. Basically it will again reinstall all the drivers that you have been uninstalled. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed and your this error code has been resolved. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.